to have lunch because we don't have the kids today. They are in school. So we are thinking to go to Buffalo Grill in Cholet. This will not be the first time to go there. We went there before many times with the kids, but this will be the first time we will go there with only the two of us. And first time to do a vlog about it. So we're gonna order and try to show you things around. Based in Wikipedia, Buffalo Grill is an American-themed steakhouse chain headquartered in Montrouge, France. Outlets are primarily sited in retail parks and medium-sized city outskirt locations. So they said that Buffalo Grill is France's largest theme restaurant chain with 360 locations in 3 countries, which is France, Switzerland, and Spain. And the majority of the locations are in France. It has been chosen as the favorite restaurant brand by the French 3 times, most recently in 2018. We're going there. We arrived.
We're still waiting.
So some people are already there when we arrive, falling in line, waiting for their turn. So we have to wait for our turn as well. Just like any other place, for COVID precautions, we need to wear our mask before entering the restaurant and also while waiting for our turn. And they have sanitizing area there where there is hand sanitizers and alcohol which we can use when we enter the restaurant. And also before they show us our table, they need to see the pass sanitaire that says that we are fully vaccinated. This one, the one they have.
Huh?
Is this the normal? Here at Cholet Buffalo Grill, from Monday to Friday, they are open from 11:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. for lunch and then 6 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. for dinner. While Saturday, they are open 11:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. almost all day. And then Sunday is 11:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. also almost all day. So yeah, here in France, it is normal that some restaurants they are only open to serve for lunch and then they will close and then they will open again to serve dinner at night. It's not all day.
Three places.
Waiting for our turn.
Yep. Very busy here. In the far west. Far west food.
If I'm not mistaken, those are little bags for kids which include some writing or coloring materials that occupies them while waiting for the food to be served. Merci.
Allez-y, je vous en prie. Il vous manque 2 verres, j'arrive tout de suite avec.
Before ordering what we really want to eat for lunch, they serve us some small portion of salad and bread.
Chicken.
Combien de pièces vous souhaitez?
16.
Ça marche. Vous avez choisi pour la suite?
Oui, mais par contre, quelque chose épicé. Vous avez quelque chose épicé?
On a le chili.
Ouais.
Un chili?
Chicken carne, c'est ça?
Comment? Oui, chili.
Ah, Texan, c'est pas.
Ou Texane, oui aussi.
Texan.
Une Texane? En accompagnement, madame. Frites, riz, haricots verts, pommes de terre au four, légumes grillés, salade verte.
Salade de.
Ça marche.
Moi, j'ai le
Raclette burger.
ouais, le raclette. Ouais.
3 € de plus avec XXL?
Oui.
La cuisson, s'il vous plaît, monsieur.
Bien, pas bien cuit, mais un petit peu en dessous bien cuit.
À point.
À point, ouais. Faut pas que ça soit rouge. Un petit peu rouge, mais pas trop.
Là, ce sera à point.
Ouais.
Voilà. Est-ce que vous prendrez une autre sauce à côté, monsieur?
So we're having Texan and raclette burger.
And I'm having the big size because I'm on a diet.
And that mixed tapas, no?
The starter.
This one.
No, the chicken one. Ah no, did I say chicken? What did I say?
Oh lolo.
Ah, damn it.
You get the chicken one?
For starting the meal, we have beer and also Sex on the Beach for the drinks and mixed tapas, which includes spare ribs, onion ring, and some fromage pani or some cheese balls.
Easy.
Very light.
My order is the Texan chicken, which include chicken, spare ribs, and chili con carne and salad on the side. While he ordered hamburger raclette. It's the new burger. This is a new product for the Buffalo Grill. And French fries on the side.
Sauce, bacon, some beef, raclette, another beef. That's a lot.
How you will eat it?
I don't know.
Try.
I'll just have a fry for the time being.
Merci.
You're not starting with the salad?
I'll try this.
Ribs. Now with some sauce. So how is it? This is a chili con carne now. A little bit spicy or not?
It's okay. It's not spicy.
It's not spicy, spicy.
Add salad.
So just
Being
taste.
healthy.
We got some bread too now. They only give you 3 pieces, but you know, it's enough. Okay, so we've got the little outline sign saying just oops. Goodness, look at this. Cold.
It's cold.
Disappointing.
Make it warm.
Yes. Okay, here we go again. So it's a bit cold, so it has to heat up a little bit. It's better now. Just put it on your nose, that's what you do. Oh my goodness. I think I use a knife and fork. Just about good then. It's very cheesy. Okay, I'm starting to struggle now. Almost finished. My goodness. Barbecue sauce. Okay, we're having ice cream next.
So for dessert, we're ordering cooked creamy banana and cooked pleasure cafe cookie.
the comfort room, they have the games area for kids and kids at heart. Waiting for our dessert to be served. Not many people now because we came late, so we'll be the one to go out late.
Bonne dégustation.
Good diet.
Done.
Right, they even got a mini waffle. You could probably just come for the ice cream actually. Don't bother about the rest of the food.
That is banana nut.
Banana. It's got
Creamy banana nut.
banana, peanut butter, and some pecan nuts, caramel ice cream, and chocolate ice cream. With a mini waffle. So we've had our meal. Probably ate a bit too much. Don't think we should have had either the starter or didn't have the dessert because it was way too much already.
We're very full. And we spent how much?
71 something, 71 euros.
71 euros for we started from starter and then we had drinks and we have the main course. I had the Texan meal. You had the raclette, the new one.
Burger, yeah.
And we had a dessert.
But the food we chose were on the upper price of the menu, so it wasn't the cheapest one. It was more of the more expensive part of the menu. So you know that would have been the top of the budget, I think.
The experience is okay.
Yeah, the place is great. It's good. The ambiance, if we would say, is very nice.
And the staff, they are very friendly and very welcoming. They serve and they smile.
The only thing, the experience is very good. And my burger that I had, the raclette came a bit cold, and I asked them if they could heat up, and took away the heat up. That's fine, it's quick. So that was quite good. So
Yeah, everything is okay, but we're just too much full about it. Oh, because we eat too much. The servings is big. It's not just for one person, I think. Well, maybe it depends. We don't eat that much, so the servings we had is too much
good
for
size.
one person.
Yeah. The beef that was in the raclette burger was a very good quality beef. It's not like the hamburger beef where it's just minced meat. It's more of the purchase style, which is more of a fine, it's like grated meat, which you get more fibers on it, which I think makes a big difference when you're having a burger like that. You get, it's a bit more filling than the ground beef, if you say, with the fat in it as well. It was more of a meaty style burger, which was quite good.
Yeah, and
It was
cheesy.
pleasant.
It's nice.
Cheese was good. and it was 2 patties a burger. So you know, it was huge. You know, like compared to like when you go to the fast food places. Yeah, this was I can name one which I do enjoy, which was yeah. And but they do also then most of their burgers are quite big, and for me it was almost as the quality wise was the same amount of what would you say, the portion was the same almost. It was a bit smaller, but the portion of meat and everything was the same, and the quality was definitely a lot better than the
I like the chili con carne.
yeah, chili.
It's nice.
Yeah, that was quite nice too.
You dip it with the bread. It's very nice.
The sauce, I like the sauce. The sauce. That's good.
So that's it. Thank
Yeah.
you very much. Thank you, Buffalo. We had a good experience.
As
How many
always.
star? 4, 5.
Uh,
5 because we
Well,
were
4.5.
4.5. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Until our next review.
Thank you. Bye bye.